obvious evidence that there's starlings nesting under your first tile is excessive droppings in one particular area, or depending on how many nests they have, you might have two different areas, or possibly even a third. Hi, Andrew here from Safe Secure Pest Control. Today we're here proofing against starlings in Navan, County Meath. People will use all sorts of methods to try to prevent starlings getting into a roof, but today we're going to show you the proper way to do it for once and for all. Onion bags and steel mesh are definitely not solutions. The second step is to remove the gutter completely to expose the end of the tiles where the birds are getting in. This exposes the half moon shapes where the birds are gaining entry. They can gain entry the whole length of the roof. On any side that has a gutter, you'll have the same issue. The next stage is to fit the bird proofing comb. The bird proofing comb will either go underneath the tile facing up, behind the fascia soffit, between the timber and the front white plastic, or sometimes up there on top of the plastic. It just depends on the distance between where the gutter sits and where the tile sits will determine what's the best location to fit the bird proofing comb. And when it's finished, then you should only have a little bit sticking out, and it works 100% in preventing birds from gaining entry into every high point. This is what it should look like after. The comb goes on, but the gutter doesn't go on just yet. The finished product should be pretty much invisible.